It's gonna get cold. We have another 4 to 5 days of possible severe weather ahead of us, including a pretty significant threat from Chicago to Detroit. First off, as we approach the end of this week, temperatures are expected to plummet again from the Central Plains out east. And that cold weather out east looks to stick around for at least the first couple weeks of April. We're talking possible widespread temperature anomalies of 20 to 25 degrees below average for a large portion of the east. And these cold temperatures could be making their way into the central US as soon as this weekend. This is not wind chill, this is actual temperature from the latest Euro model. And we could see our lows push into the 30s and 40s all the way down there near the Gulf. We do have a day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4 risk zone from the SPC. And I think we'll probably get a day 5 as well. Tomorrow we do have a 10% hatched risk for tornadoes around the Wichita region, with a larger 5 and 2% around that as well. And our hail outlook is calling for the potential for very large hail through portions of north central Texas, central Oklahoma, and then most of Kansas, with again that main target being around the Wichita area. Strong winds as well, of course, will be associated with this severe weather. No, this is not yesterday's risk outlook, but it looks identical. This is this upcoming Wednesday to Thursday, and we already have an enhanced risk here. Colorado State University has actually already given this a high hatch threat, with its target right over Memphis, Tennessee. This could affect the surrounding states as well: southern Illinois, southeastern Missouri, Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, and western Tennessee. But we have to watch this piece up here to the north as well. We have a lot of cities up here, including Chicago and Detroit. Our dew points for this event are reaching very far north. The higher the dew point, the more moisture is in the air. And moist air is lighter than dry air. This is what gives us our buoyancy. And the more buoyancy that we have in a region, the easier it is for air to rise, bringing that moisture with it, allowing it to condense, release that latent heat, and this is what fuels these storms, as I've said before. We're also seeing pretty good widespread CAPE values as well. CAPE, convective available potential energy. This area looks to be unstable this upcoming Wednesday. Right now, I'm leaning towards an overperformance with this system, but I'll continue to bring you updates every day. And remember, we already have a 15% risk zone from the SBC for Thursday going into Friday. This is a day 4 risk zone, which does look like it will go at least enhanced. We'll see if it goes any further. And lastly, we are seeing some wild total quantitative precipitation numbers in this region here. There's estimates of 5, 7, even 10 plus inches of rain in some of these areas. So flash flooding is going to be a concern for us as well as we get into the middle of this week and then into the weekend. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every day and I stream every night. I'll see you in the next video.